Hello, in this video we are going to be talking about present continuous. This present continuous is the same as present progressive. This video is brought to you by Centro de Idiomas María Cano. First of all, we're going to talk about the structure. We use present continuous or progressive to talk about ongoing activities while you are talking. For example, I am talking to you now. This action is in progress right now. The structure is a subject. A subject, it could be a person, a noun, or a pronoun. Remember that for pronouns, we know I, you, he, she, it, we, they, etc. Then you use the verb to be. Since we are talking about present, the verb to be in present is am, is, are. Okay? Then we need another verb. This verb could be, for example, play, write, eat, bring, go, look, etc. All the verbs are actions, and then we need the ending ing. This ending corresponds to ando, endo in Spanish. For example, comprando, jugando, sonriendo, cantando. So that's why we need to use this ing. So whenever you have a verb with ing, you need to use the verb to be before, okay? So we use the subject, the verb to be, the verb with ing, and the complement. For example, you are studying English now. We are watching an English presentation. Remember that you can use contractions here. For here, it sounds, you're studying English now. You're studying English now. And here, if you use contraction, it would be, we are watching an English presentation. Now we have different sentences. In affirmative sentences, like, she's playing the guitar at this moment, we're watching the baseball match, they're studying chemistry at college. Here we are using the subject, the verb to be, and another verb with ing plus the complement. Here we have we're watching the subject, the verb to be, and another verb in ing. Okay? Then we have interrogative and negative sentences. So when we talk about interrogative sentences, remember that we need an auxiliary. In English, we don't have initial question mark, so that's why we need to use an auxiliary. So that's why we have, are they watching TV now? Yes, they are. No, they're not. They're cooking dinner. When we have the negative sentences, we use the particle not after the verb to be. No, they're not. No, I'm not watching TV now. I'm cooking dinner. Is she paying attention? Yes, she is. No, she's not. Okay? Let's continue with this. You can also use present continuous to talk about future plans. For example, I'm taking a trip to Europe next year. Here I'm using the verb to be and a verb with ing. Or I'm graduating from college in August. So in August, it means that will be in the future, in the near future, okay? So we will need to be careful when using time expressions because time expressions are extremely important to let people know about when you're talking. So time expressions to talk about future plans, we have this summer, this weekend, next year, tonight. Or time expressions to use when with present continuous when you are talking about around now. So we have now, right now, these days, this semester, at the moment, today. So that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in another video. Keep learning in María Cano.